hope you're doing well. This is going to be a short video on how I put together an outfit starting with a certain piece. I'm actually thinking of starting a series of these short videos, so please let me know what you think in the comments below. This time it's this crop top, and because of the red elements in the top, I originally paired this with a red skirt and a sparkly pair of tights to make this more dressy. The only problem is that when I actually tried this on, I just didn't like the whole combination, and since it's actually much easier to change out a skirt than a pair of tights, I changed out the red skirt. A go-to piece for me in these situations is a denim skirt because it goes with pretty much everything, and this is what I chose. And I found that it really pulled the outfits together with the tights and the top. To finish the look off, I added a pair of black over-the-knee boots because they match the black in the top, and because I think over-the-knee boots are generally very elegant. I really hope that you liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Be you, always. Bye!